Post your movable work in social media. Get a chance to win $5,000. To some makers, a 3D printer is an essential companion. Are they all stationary objects? 3D printed models can also be dynamic. Sometimes I want to challenge myself to make something that can move. Let's enter Martin's little world to feel the charm of movable prints. Every weekend, Martin cleans his house, doing his laundry, cleaning the floor. Martin is curious about things, especially aliens. He just read the news and decides to go to check it out. He is driving his lovely car that he has owned for 3 years. Upon his arrival, he was shocked by the view in front of him. The UFO kidnapped the calf and flies away. These are my movable creations. Now it's your turn. Let your model be movable. Enter the MOVEIT 3D printing show contest on June 15th. Post your movable work in social media. Get a chance to win $5,000.